Okay, I've got some tiles here, and this was from a previous video. I'm going to make a new video now, and I'm going to dip these in the paint. Anyway, the colors I used were, on this one was Brulee? TLP Brulee, I think. Yes. And Brilliant Magenta and Rich Gold. I think that's all I used there. Here I used TLP Mermaid, Rich Gold, Pinot Gris. Yeah, that's all I used. Just going to put a very thin coat on here. I don't want too much paint on the tile. Oops. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Now I'm just going to dip it. Just making sure it's making contact with the paint. Now I'm going to lift it. That's pretty. Okay. I'm going to get another one, do the same thing. Just spreading it out with my finger. You don't have to be perfect because you're going to be getting a lot of paint on here. Okay, so oh, I don't want it. Oh, that's pretty. It's very subtle, but it's pretty. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try this color now. All right. Gotta be careful not to drop it. Oh, that didn't turn out very good. So I'm gonna dip again over here. Oh, not very good at all. No, it's not working out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe scrape this and start over. I should have left that one there. That was cool. Or I can just add more paint. You know what? It's very slippery too. When you try and lift it up, I almost feel like it's going to fall down as soon as I lift it up. All right, this one. Okay, I'm going to do Pinot Gris again. The blue, or the mermaid, I should say. And a bit of the gold. Let's try this. Oh, that is neat. That's very nice. Very nice. I like that. I like that a lot. One more on here. I'm going to add more Pinot Gris because it seemed to be dropped off, and I'll leave the other colors. Maybe add a little bit more blue. All right. This is fun. I like this. Ooh, that's different. It's kind of nice. So basically you can use all your old paint that's not working for you anymore for making balloons and swiping. You're not getting cells or whatever from. It's good to use this. It's good to dip them. Where did I put my little thing? All right, I'm going to show you a close-up in a minute, just as soon as I clean this. All right, I'm going to show you a close-up of them. Here's one of them. Here in this soft light, you can see the green in the Pinot Gris a little bit more. Cool. That's that one. And then I got another one here. Pretty. Okay. Okay, now this one here, this is the other color. Other colors. Okay. And the next one. Oh. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. I will see you in my next one. Have a great day. Bye for now.